Cha chim rip xua bong bồn tiếng ngọc nè cha là nâng cầm thì tàu để tiệt hai cứ crom mít đam mấy đá hay nâng khang YouTube chuẩn unary rom bấm nâng cứ bấm xăm kỳ nè cha. Okay, let's go. Yes, we ready. Come on, đã play nhé, con đá tới tranh tới thôi chị, go. Yeah, tranh tới, go. Yeah, hit go.
Nè tí mũi nè.
Tới. Vào chỗ chờ. Chui cam lái nữa, cam này cho á.
Lên hay mưa lại rồi. Lại rồi.
Anh có upload được tí để nè.
Nghĩ cam đó nhá.
Phải.
Nó nói là con bánh chèn đi vào đóng trâu vào bên nào đã tới hết nổi trâu luôn.
Song group nhiều cái điều để bạn cho luôn trong committee sắp đặt chân phép luôn trong ngày này trong mùa lễ đợt này nói xem mà cùng sẽ là bạn người quốc thổ khmer Amata ngày này khi mình cái điều nát để group của bọnយើងខ្ញុំទាំងពួងបានមកយកនៅរបាយនៃខ្មែរមួយបទដែលមានចំណងជើង5របាំសាមគ្គីនេះខ្លឹមសារគឺខ្លឹមសារក្នុងចម្រៀងមួយបទនេះគឺឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងទៅនឹងការសាមគ្គីរួបរวมគ្នានិងការគោរពគ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកដែលវាគឺជាគោលការណ៍រួមបំផុតនៃរបស់សក្តាជើងពីខ្លួនសូមអរគុណសូមទេសនា
Good morning, everyone. My name is Teresa, and our team from the Cambodian Living Arts and Culture. And as part of the Refugee Week, it's all about the honoring the survival, hope, and also community. And thank you very much for inviting us to participate in this event. And we are pleased to present you the collaborative dance, Rabam Samaki, showcasing our culture heritage. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Cho vào hôm nay đó.
សូមអរគុណចាស់សាមគ្គី Can we all say it សាមគ្គី Yes well done សូមអរគុណយ៉ាងច្រើនសូមអញ្ជើញឥឡូវសូមលីសាជាតំណាងអ្នករបាំទាំងអស់សូមលីសាមកទទួលការអនុស្សាវរីយ៍និងជាថ្លែងអរគុណហើយនឹងបងវណ្ណៈអឹងគាត់ឡើងជួយជាគាត់ជាជាមួយចាស់សូមអរគុណ
I really appreciate all our team here. They work so hard and make so much effort for today. So please give them one more round of applause. សូមតាមដល់គុណដែលខាងនេះកម្មវិធីបានល្អមែន You guys did amazing team, management team did amazing stuff, amazing for all this effort, for all the organized is amazing. I just want to say thank you. And yes, I just want to let you know that we had, I think people are still talking about that. I step on the top. We had complete Australian War Memorial project that had Cambodian War in Canberra. It's under Peacekeeping Gallery. It's complete. You are welcome to visit Australian War Memorial. And we are organizing a bus tour looking around September. If you are interested, please let the staff know, get your name. We are going to visit Australian War Memorial, see the Cambodian item display. That is our Cambodian object, and we bring from Cambodia to Australia. This is our second home, and please, we have a voice. We have what we want, peace in our community, in our country. Thank you so much. អរគុណច្រើនអរគុណលីសាសូមទៅចុះខ្ញុំគិតយូរលោកពូលោកអ៊ំបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ខ្ញុំដឹងថាម្នាក់ប្រហែលជាឃ្លានបាយខ្លាំងហើយប៉ុន្តែកម្មវិធីយើងជិតចប់ហើយចាជិតចប់ហើយប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះគឺដល់កម្មវិធីដែលទី1គឺសូមអញ្ជើញមកចាឡើងមកកាន់លើឆាក Roger មានព្រោះRoger ជាវិចិត្រសិល្បករមួយដែលពូកែសពគ្រប់តាំងពីសំឡេងតាំងពីលេងទៀតមែនទេ The musical instrument. You play that too? Yes. He's very, very talented.
ឥឡូវនេះថ្ងៃមិនពីចង់ធ្វើអីនេះប៉ុន្តែបើតាមសំណងបងនេះមានចង់ឲ្យជិះរៀនអត់ជិះរៀនតែប្រាប់លឺថាយើងទៅនេះមើលបាទហ្នឹងអូខេអរគុណសូមជួយអបអរសាទរអាចារ្យណា
Hello. It says on the program I'm supposed to do a performance. It's actually just a speech, a reflection. Hopefully not too long. We've had a long day. I feel so exposed without that. Should I use that too? Or maybe not? Okay. Right. Well, everyone, thank you so much for having me here. Akun Chalan, Aikyuman, Nyayindi. Bye. Writing a speech for today was very hard. I've been putting it off. It's not easy to talk about all this, but it's very inspiring to hear everyone speak. You guys are so vulnerable. Like Akni na Nyay Di Ba Nyay Chui Bedong Ajan Borim Kyum Betisak Thơ Tambay Arkyum Nyay Chui Bedong Dai. My name is Roger. Roger. I'm Australian Cambodian. When I was little, I asked my dad to tell me more about the war and the refugee camps. I was very interested. I needed to know more. I needed to explain why our family was the way it was. Kim Jong Yul, Hai A, Krusa Yung, Chia, Bay Yung Chia. Hello. Is that right? I remember one time I asked him, he said, a UNHC worker at a refugee camp asked my dad why he wanted to come to Australia. Quát nạc thơ kháng UNHCR được khung khảo đám xua bộ dùng hai ấy ba trong ngọn tơ sọc rồi. And my dad said it's because he wanted his children to have an education, to study. And I got that. I got an education. I studied. I studied hard, so hard. It was very hard. Growing up, I couldn't speak Cambodian. I couldn't speak English properly. It was broken because my parents spoke broken both English and Khmer to me. When I was young, I spoke like this. This is the Cambodian I knew. Mai mai. Thật chưa? Ai lớn? Mau mặt. And I know, mẹ up there, kêu mẹ thoát there. Come have you, mom. That's pretty much my Khmer. So for those who can't speak Cambodian, that was come, eat rice. Oh, we're gonna get a snack in a minute. Hey fatso, come here. I'm not fat. That was my Cambodian. Pandai hello, people kim bang mau sahapum chụp chumui phok lok om lok prok riêng pháp thô Khmer kim ăn thì sắc mai chan chừng một này. So it's so good. Kim ăn nhảy chumui khusa kim chạy rừng chạy cùng đất chạy bằng nhà. That's crazy. I can speak to my parents and share philosophy, share history, and share feelings. Wow. Many Cambodian children cannot share their feelings to their parents because they can't speak the language. And we grew up feeling isolated, seeing our parents. I'll speak for myself. I grew up seeing my parents as just people that I feel warm towards in my house, but cannot get to know them. And that started to change. When I was 4 years old, I was watching my parents working all the time, sewing clothes, I I used the scissors to trim the clothes, to try to help them. But then I got tired, I went to bed, and they would work late into the night. And I was 4 years old. I couldn't take out wrong, bed you could take, I couldn't young. Mike, now, Mike, I would pull up my mum. That's what I remember. And then it was very hard because there wasn't enough money. And there's a lot of stress in the family. And my dad, he had a heart attack over in Cabramatta. And I was too young to understand this. He survived just. And so lucky he did. But that was how hard they worked. It's how hard you guys worked. And I want to acknowledge that. You guys worked so hard. They worked in a fish and chip shop in Newcastle. Got killer fish and chip. I mean, hand fish and chip more in Newcastle. And they would work 24 hours a day, like sometimes 12 hours a day. They would come home, I could smell the oil, I could see their scars. Kim at Tum Klen Paying Kim at Kimmer Dai Guai Rumi Pipu Paying Clan Pay. And I can't understand the weight of their sacrifice. I try to. But you know what? I've learned it's impossible for me to fully understand your sacrifice. It feels like pain in my chest. But because I am their children, I turn their pain into love. And I can be vulnerable with them. I can stare them in the eye. Kim aren't allowing me to be vulnerable with me. Let your children teach you how to be safe again. Because our homes wasn't safe. But things are changing, you know. We're healing. I am now a healing. One second. I deviated from my speech, you know, speaking from the heart. That's what happened, right? I'm healing through art. Chúng ta sẽ lập chúng tu sẵn ái, chúng con, chúng tu được hào. Thơ mến tên tạc mến, dạy lên, mến thơ lên. It's a real thing. I'm a real actor. And it's hard for me to comprehend. I'm saying it to myself just as much as I'm saying it to you. Because I grew up at the back of a fish and chip shop. And I had an accent, you know? And we couldn't afford drama school. But I taught myself. Because when I was a young kid, I had the memory almost transplanted in my brain about this war for my parents. And I said, if my parents went through that, I have to make their sacrifice count. I can't say that, come on, but... Person ma ba kyum chlong kat sang khim thom mui kyum traka yo vai quat miên khung be ni no ba quat tam bay le cruza kyum la. Does that make sense? We are learning so much. We're learning how to be vulnerable together. Sometimes it's hard for young people to come here because there's triggers. Sometimes everyone's talking, we get overstimulated. Sometimes we don't feel safe. Sometimes we don't feel important. But that's changing. I came here, I've been doing yoga with everyone. Where's my yoga students? There, yoga. We did meditation here. I made theatre here. So it's amazing to see how we're all growing. The world and Australia deserve to hear your stories. And that's what I'm doing. And you give my life meaning. ជីវិតរបស់អ្នកឯងឲ្យជីវិតខ្ញុំអត្ថន័យ And I want to finish with the song. Off stop? No song? So 3 minutes? 2. Oh, I don't think it's going to be right. Okay. 1 verse. I came home from a long day. Worked on the fields till my back ached. So my 2 little girls caring for my wife. Nurses a baby in her arms. Then one day a soldier came. Just a young man who wondered what he had done. He said, if you want to feed yourself, you need to break your bones. Working on the fields of Bartabon. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. 1 year goes by, another baby's born. Another boy that will grow up in war. And there's no food for my wife to eat so that she can feed and give him life. So my baby boy, he spread his wings and flew over the plains of Baltimore. Oh, please take my hand, my child, and run through the mines for 300 miles. And listen to the bubbles go one by one, and run, and run, and run. Don't look at the faces on the ground, just run somewhere too high, and run, and run, and run. And bodies trapped in a refugee camp along the border of Thailand. My little girl said, I want to leave. Father, this place is scaring me, so we boarded a plane to Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy. So the land smelt the eucalyptus, laid her down upon the doggos, sang her a story about our life. Cambodia, Cambodia, Cambodia. Tí nuôi thì sạc mai vào chế một cái chuyện nhìn tiền. Ok. Tí chừng riêng mình pro lên vào chế chỉ riêng bị muốn pro lên tí bị pro chế lên tí nuôi tiền chàng. Xong học con, xong cha này không học con chàng. Còn tí nít xongចាអរគុណលោកជំទាវសម្រាប់ការចែករំលែកភាសាបេដូងចាលោកគ្រូហើយពុកពេញដោយអត្ថន័យចាកម្មវិធីបន្ទាប់សូមអញ្ជើញវិចិត្រកររបស់យើងគឺលោកសុភ័ក្រហ៊ុនចាសុភ័ក្រជាវិចិត្រករហើយបានប្រើប្រាស់ស្នាដៃគំនូរដើម្បីផ្សារភ្ជាប់អត្តសញ្ញាណកម្ពុជាអូស្ត្រាលីហើយបង្ហាញអំពីវប្បធម៌អរិយធម៌ខ្មែររបស់យើងនៅក្នុងសង្គមតពុវប្បធម៌អូស្ត្រាលីនេះហើយខ្ញុំនឹងផ្ដល់ឱកាសជូនសុភ័ក្រគាត់បរិយាយអំពីស្នាដៃគំនូររបស់គាត់ឲ្យខ្លួនឯងចា៎ជំរាបសួរខ្ញុំបងសុភ័ក្រ My name is បងសុភ័ក្រ Today ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញគំនូរដែលខ្ញុំគូសម្រាប់កម្មវិធីនេះ Today I'm going to reveal my new painting that I paint for this event. Come please. Cũng đầu tiên nhóm hàng phần lư nâng mô đó
lack of legacy គំនូរបង្ហាញវិចិត្រករកំពុងតែគូម៉ាស់មុខសម្រាប់របាំរៀមគេមានន័យថាសម្រាប់
គាត់ឲ្យធ្វើហ្នឹង
មានន័យថាសម្រាប់យុវជនយើងកំពុងតែគូហើយតេតទៅនឹងwhich is culture our culture វប្បធម៌របស់យើង the painting young artist paint colmas and represent our culture and yeah ខ្ញុំនឹងបរៀនធ្វើmask នឹងថ្ងៃទី4ដែលណាចង់មករៀនអាចជួបមកខ្ញុំ I will be teaching how to make colmas actual colmas so if you interested can contact me after this okay អរគុណ
មួយខ្មែរគេថាសូមចាញ់ដែរចាមួយចំណងដែរសោះក៏ប៉ុន្តែមាននិស្ស័យមានសិល្បៈនេះមួយហើយមានតុងមែនតើសូមសរសើរសូមអរគុណចា
វាមិនកិត្តិយសរបស់យើងដែលជាបងប្អូនយុវតីនឹងពីររូបទៀតចាពីររូបទៀតគាត់នឹងមកចែករំលែកអំពីដំណើរជីវិតនិងការតស៊ូនៅក្នុងវិស័យការងាររបស់គាត់ហើយមិនយូរទេចាមិនយូរទេអញ្ចឹងអត់ធ្មត់ជាមួយគ្នាស្ដាប់គាត់ជាមួយគ្នាបន្ទាប់មកយើងទទួលទានអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅខាងក្រៅជាមួយគ្នាចាហើយអញ្ចឹងជាកិច្ចបន្ទាប់សូមអញ្ជើញDr. Jennifer សូមចាស់
Hello, I'm Jennifer.
Jennifer.
My mum was a teenager and my dad was in his 20s when they moved to Australia as refugees.
ចាម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំជាក្មេងវ័យជំទង់ហើយឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងអាយុ20ឆ្នាំទៅពេលដែលគាត់ឡាក់ដូរទីតាំងលំនៅមកនៅប្រទេសអូស្ត្រាលី
I am not here to tell you their story of what that's like because there is no way I could really know and no way I could do it justice.
ចាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមកទីនេះមិនមកដើម្បីប្រាប់រឿងរ៉ាវរបស់ពួកគាត់ទេពីព្រោះគ្មានមធ្យោបាយណាមួយដែលខ្ញុំអាចនិយាយរឿងរ៉ាវរបស់គាត់នឹងឲ្យអស់សេចក្តីហើយនឹងអាចផ្ដល់នូវយុត្តិធម៌ដល់ដំណើររឿងរ៉ាវជីវិតរបស់គាត់ទេ
To the parents out there, I'm sure you will agree, it feels like your Australian-born children are always trying to tell you that they know best.
ចាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់លោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយដែលកំពុងតែមានវត្តមាននៅទីនេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រកាសជាយល់ហើយមានអារម្មណ៍ថាកូនដែលកើតនៅក្នុងប្រទេសអូស្ត្រាលីនេះតែតែព្យាយាមបង្ហាញឬប្រាប់ថាគាត់នឹងចេះដឹងជាង
So today, as a child of refugees, I'm going to do exactly that and to tell you what I have come to learn and some of the things that I may never learn.
ចាអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះក្នុងនាមជាកូនរបស់ជនភៀសខ្លួនខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញអំពីរឿងរ៉ាវហើយនឹងអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំបានរៀនសូត្រកន្លងមក
Unfortunately for my parents, I was a pretty typical Australian teenager. I was rebellious, I felt like I knew everything, what was best for me, and I thought I knew what struggle felt like.
ចាជាអកុសលហ្នឹងសម្រាប់ឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំហ្នឹងប្រហែលជាគាត់គិតថាខ្ញុំជាក្មេងធម្មតានៅក្តៅកើតនិងធំធាត់នៅក្នុងសង្គមអូស្ត្រាលីហើយមានចរិតរឹងរូសហើយអត់ស្ដាប់បង្គាប់អីចឹងណាហើយឲ្យដឹងច្បាស់ជាងពួកគាត់ចឹងទៅ
My parents were strict. I didn't understand why they had to be so strict. They'd force us to go to the temple every weekend. I didn't have a mobile phone until I finished high school, and we'd have to go to the second-hand store to buy clothes.
ចាឪពុកម្ដាយខ្ញុំគឺគាត់មានការអប់រំកូននឹងតឹងតែងមែនតើហើយជារៀងរាល់អាទិត្យហ្នឹងគឺគាត់បង្ខំកូននឹងឲ្យទៅវត្តហើយពេលទិញសម្លៀកបំពាក់ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ទៅទិញនៅសម្លៀកបំពាក់ហាងជជុះតែគេប្រើហើយ
They'd always make us do the dishes and wash our clothes. I remember trying to impress them one time by mopping all the floors upstairs and downstairs, and they didn't really seem to care.
ចាហើយជាទូទៅគឺគាត់តែងតែបងប្រាប់ឬក៏ប្រើឲ្យលាងចានលាងឆ្នាំងអីចឹងណាហើយថ្ងៃមួយហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំព្យាយាមធ្វើល្អដូចជាជូនផ្ទះនៅខាងលើផ្ទះចឹងណាដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់មើលឃើញសក្តីល្អប៉ុន្តែមើលទៅគឺគាត់អត់មើលឃើញថាជារឿងល្អដែលគាត់បានធ្វើ
The school, they'd make us these sandwiches with a slice of ham, maybe some margarine if we were lucky, and if we got cheese, then that was a great day.
ចាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ទៅសាលារៀនគឺគាត់តែងតែធ្វើសាក់វិចឲ្យហើយនៅក្នុងសាក់វិចហ្នឹងមាន ham មានអីចឹង